George Clooney has officially endorsed Vice President Kamala Harris's presidential campaign. This endorsement follows Clooney's op-ed urging President Joe Biden to withdraw from the 2024 race. In a statement shared with CNN on Tuesday, July 23rd, Clooney praised Biden for his leadership and for saving democracy once again. He expressed enthusiasm for supporting Harris in her historic campaign. "We're all so excited to do whatever we can to support Vice President Harris in her historic quest," Clooney stated. Earlier in July, Clooney penned an op-ed in the New York Times advocating for a new Democratic nominee. He criticized Biden, citing moments such as the presidential debate and the George Stephanopoulos interview as indicators that Biden was no longer the same politician. The letter sparked significant backlash, but Clooney was not alone in his sentiment. Other Democrats echoed his call for change. Within weeks, President Biden ended his re-election bid and endorsed Vice President Harris as his successor. Following Biden's announcement, many looked to Clooney for his next move. The View co-host Ana Navarro even suggested Clooney should financially support the Democratic campaign, given his role in prompting Biden's exit. It appears Clooney received the message, as he is now firmly in support of Harris's campaign.